What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kai Miller, and I am back for another video. Today, guys, I am revamping my old wig. So right now I'm just currently cleaning the lace and just washing down the hair or whatever, and then in a moment we're just gonna go to the room and start installing and revamping the whole entire wig and making it look new. So let's get right into this video. By the way, I'm just taking off the glue that was left on the hair. And you guys can't see it from here, but like the lace is kind of ripped and stuff like that also. So we're just gonna be cutting that too. Like the ripped parts, we're just gonna be cutting it back a little bit. So a whole revamp. Alright guys, so the hair is now washed and I'm just gonna let it air dry for a little bit, and then I'll come back in and blow dry it, and then we can start the process. But I'm gonna let it air dry and we'll be right back. I am back. Let me pause. I'm back and I have on my little wig cap on, so boom. Let me turn on. Okay, I'm back and I have my little wig cap on. All right, this is the wig. I'm kind of looking at it and like I wanted to cut it. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it. I don't know if I'm gonna cut like the hair. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it, like trim it down. I'm gonna trim it down, but right now I'm just going to hot comb the front of the hair so I can push it back, so that way it'll be easy to install it without having any hair really in my way. So that's what we finna do. There's like the front of the wig has like a lot of holes. So it definitely gotta get cut. And gotta get rid of these little holes. As you know, it's giving very much Aekasora. And it's giving I need to buy a new bottle. Guys, so the spray was fake, making like the front of my hair stiff, so I used my wax stick instead to push the front of the hair back. For a minute, but so I'm gonna obviously like push the wig forward past the parts that are ripped as much as I can. I know there's a piece right there that's pretty like far back, it's kind of ripped, but I'm gonna try to bring it as far to the front as I possibly can, and then like just cut the excess off, because yeah, your girl can't keep these holes. This is a holy ass wig. This wig is looking real holy, and I love God, but baby, this is a no. It got to go. I'm gonna just play some music because I'm not listening to shit. Bye bye yo, bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo, don't cry yo, I need Ibo Asha yo, I need Ibo Asha yo. It's my shit. Randomly out the day, every single day, all I am singing, all you hear from me out of nowhere is just my ayo, don't cry yo. Yo.
When it comes to money, I they concentrate.
Go to shopping mall. See Bressy, he wanna fuck us on icy.
Fuck that nigga.
Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit before I start styling it for real. So I will be back once this, I feel like this has held down a little bit more. Okay, so we gonna go there, we'll be back. Bye. yeah, like I was saying, so I kind of want no baby hairs right here for whatever reason, so I'm just gonna do baby hairs right here and like, you know, at the bottom, stuff like that. But I'm not gonna do baby hairs right there. I'm gonna see how that looks, and if I don't like it, then I'm gonna add a baby hair. Oh yeah, by the way, I thought I was recording, but apparently I wasn't. But yeah, flatten out everything. I flattened out the front of my hair, and I didn't what you call it yet, like start to style. Well, I'm starting to style it now, I guess. So yeah, honestly, I might not really style it for real tonight, because it is like probably like 10. It's 10:44 and I got work in the morning, so I'm just gonna finish like the whole applying process and fixing it, and then I'm gonna go to bed. But like tomorrow, I guess I'm just gonna add some mousse to my hair to give like a little more wave to it and brush that out, and then we'll just leave it like that. I think I dropped something. Okay, where's my stuff? By the way, I cut them pretty long because I don't really want to mess them up. Like in case I do mess it up, I have like more to cut and more space to, like, you know, fix and stuff like that. So it's all just like a trial and error type of thing. Which is hard as hell. It's not even plugged in, bro. It's just mad fucking hot. That's why with that shit, I don't play games. I don't play. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I found it. Honestly, this is really a blessing, because some girls really gotta actually pay money to do this type of stuff to themselves, or get this service done for them. It's like, you know how to do your own hair. You know how much money you're saving, bro? Like, now that you really think about it, it's like, bro, it's really a fucking blessing. And I need to cut this because it's a little long. But yeah, like I'm saying, honestly, I'd be tight. I'd fake be fast. Cause I'd do it. Like, I'd pay for it. But if I didn't have to, yeah, I wouldn't. Very grateful. Very grateful. Yeah, it throws it off. I'm gonna add a little baby hair, just a little bit, cause it fake throws it off definitely, without having like no baby hairs right there. So I'm just gonna add in my old baby hairs that I already had right here, And just add a little bit of those. It's off. Period. Period, bitch. Alright, y'all. This is the end of the hair. I thought I was gonna cut it, but I ended up not wanting to cut it anymore. I just did a side part with it instead and just like fix the baby hairs. I gotta fix it a little bit more because it keeps coming up, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. This is the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Also, comment down below what other video guys you guys comment down below what other video guys you guys want to see, and just let me know. I definitely interact in the comments, so you know, if you want to chit chat with your girl, it's fine. That's fine. It's fine. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.